Hey, what's up everybody? Unemployed Mike. Today we're gonna go change the oil on this 2012 my Triumph Bonneville. It's due for service. We're probably gonna go change the oil. We're gonna clean the chain, give it a wash. We're gonna take this puppy out tonight for bike night. So we're gonna need the that's a 13 millimeter drain bolt right there, right under here. There's the filter.
Young sheep, personage biche, personal business, mais ça ne gâche
So this is what you need. This oil and your filter. So we're gonna put the drain plug back in there, and then we're gonna put the new filter on and refill it. What I like to do is, I think this should be standard. People know you pour a little oil in here. Try to fill it up as much as possible. And it gets harder to take out when you don't have it. Spin that bad boy. Loosen this. This is the oil fill. I've lost this once. Make sure that you tighten it to spec. Now I'm just gonna pour the oil in there and then check the fluid level there. Get the bike upright, and then it should be right there in the middle. There's a line. As you can see here, it's like right at the middle right now. So we're gonna let it sit. It's probably gonna be fine. I'm gonna start it, run it for a little bit, and then turn it off and see if the level still remains the same at the middle. That line is right there. It's about right, centered. We're all set. That's how we change. We put the cap on. It's tight. There's that thing. All set.
She's wearing a fat smile, loving the lifestyle. Roll with my sheep as yeah, bitch is so wild. Blacked out, new beef they find out. Said do me my sheep is mess did they ride out. Brothers gone wild, please pardon. Sheep is worldwide, see me come Pablo. Living that life, check a shoving veg.
She is all done. Made it back from bike night. BMC. It was nice, it was fun. She rode perfect, nice and clean, wheels clean. Thanks for watching.